Hey everyone, and welcome to Machine Learning and AI, Support Vector Machines in Python. Support vector machines are one of the most powerful machine learning models around, and this topic has been one that students have requested ever since I started making courses. These days, everyone seems to be talking about deep learning, but in fact there was a time when support vector machines were seen as superior to neural networks. One of the things you'll learn about in this course is that a support vector machine actually is a neural network and actually looks very similar intuitively. The toughest obstacle to overcome when you're learning about support vector machines is that they are so theoretical. This theory very easily scares a lot of people away, and it might feel like learning about support vector machines is beyond your ability. In this course, we take a very methodical, step-by-step approach to build up all the theory you need to understand for how the SVM really works. We are going to use logistic regression as our starting point, which is one of the very first things you learn about as a student of machine learning. So if you want to understand this course, that's all you really need. Just have a good intuition about logistic regression, and by extension, have a good understanding of the geometry of lines, planes, and hyperplanes. If you recognize this picture, and you are motivated to succeed, then you can learn about SVMs. For those of you who are thinking, oh, theory is not for me, I don't want to learn about SVMs, well, there's still a lot of material in this course for you too. A lot of people ask me, lazy programmer, I don't really want to know the ins and outs of the model, I just want to use the model. And in this course, there will be not just one, but 2 full sections devoted to just the practical aspects of how to make effective use of the SVM. We'll do end-to-end examples of real, practical machine learning applications such as image recognition, spam detection, medical diagnosis, and regression analysis. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.